Welcome to my channel, All Up in Your Melon. So I'm really excited for this one. It's lunchtime and I'm making something new that I've never made before. I went to Job Lots and picked up some lentils, brown lentils, because I was like, I haven't had lentils in a while since I made, oh my god, since I made shepherd's pie with lentils. It's unbelievable. I'll have to make that when it starts getting a little colder. But anyway, so yeah, we're gonna try it. It's gonna be, we're making a lentil salad. So what you need is, cucumber, pepper, mint, parsley, lemon, onion. The dressing is gonna be honey, olive oil, Dijon mustard. Oh, and you need some garlic. And lentils and some cooking stuff, and then you're cutting. And I will need a bowl, which I did not get. I'll need a few bowls. Anyway, so first we are gonna cook the lentils, and we are gonna do 3 cups of water and 1 cup of lentils. And we're gonna put it on the stove and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. So we have our 3 cups of water. We have 1 cup of lentils, and then 1 bay leaf for flavor. Why would they make a bay leaf with this top? That's so stupid. Okay. Alrighty, I'm gonna go throw this on the stove. Okay, let's make the dressing next before we start dicing things up. What you need is a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Kind of seems like a lot of olive oil, but that's what it calls for. 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. So I don't even know how to measure that. I have a bit of a lemon right here, so I don't know how to zest. I think it's this thing that you zest a lemon. We're gonna do the whole lemon. Oh, jeez. Gas. Now, it looks like I can only serve this to my boyfriend. And only I can eat it because it's a lemon that's been on the floor. I don't understand how this is zesting, because it's all getting stuck. Whatever. I'm just gonna keep going. A little bit's coming out now. Maybe I wasn't pushing hard enough. It seems to all just be stuck. I'm just gonna scrape it off of this. What is going on here? I think I might be too hungry to do a complicated recipe like this. I'm finding this difficult. Now am I wrecking my plastic spatula? Okay. That's as good as we're getting. I hear my water boiling, so I'm gonna go turn it down a little bit and mix it up. Next, the instructions call for 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. I guess I'm just gonna... Okay, lemon. Check that off the list. Next, we have 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I finally bought some because, well, we needed it for the coleslaw. I didn't have it, so I got some Dijon. It's looking pretty watery, so gotta shake this. Ooh, I did some push-ups yesterday, so that hurt. 1 of Dijon, 1 teaspoon of honey. And they said you could use honey or maple syrup in this recipe, but I'm deciding honey. And then we need 1 clove of garlic. Is this not the cutest little clove? Yeah, we grew this little baby garlic in the garden, so I'm just gonna dice it up real quick. It smells so good and so fresh. Alright, that's diced enough. Oh, and it calls for salt and pepper. Okay, taste test. Yeah, that's good. Basically just tasted garlic, but that'll do for now. Also, I can salt and pepper it later on. I'm gonna wash the pepper and the cucumber and get to chop it. And actually I decided I don't really like the skin, so I am going to first shave that off. Okay, so it's been almost 15 minutes and I wanted to check on the lentils. They are good, because they're supposed to be still a little hard, but mostly soft. They kind of remind me of edamame, actually, the texture of edamame. So I'm gonna bring them to the sink and drain them and then rinse them in cold water, and then I'll put them in this bowl. Okay, I'm hungry, so we're gonna let them drain and try and cut these really quick. You guys already know I'm not the quickest cutter. Okay, so we kind of want these diced close to the size of the lentil. So I quartered it, and I divided each quarter into 3 parts. But I'm gonna actually make this one 4 because lentil in my throat. Okay. That's about as diced as we're gonna get them. It's not too bad, actually. I'm gonna try to do better with this one, so cut it right here. Okay, now actually if I cut these a little smaller. Alright, that's about perfect size. Alright. Eat these. So I can have some energy. Pepper. Dice it. Do the same thing and dice it. So I don't think I'm going to cut the rest of the pepper. It says half an onion. The recipe does call for red onions, and you're welcome to use whatever onions you like. I am less of a red onion person just because I feel like the flavor stays with me for a long time. Whereas this white onion or yellow onion, the flavor doesn't last as long, but it should be your preference. Oh man, the onion's getting me. So next you need a 1/4 cup of parsley. I actually grew this in my garden, so I'm excited to be using it. That one needs to be cleaned again. Okay, so I'm just gonna use scissors. It's really the easiest way to just chop it up. And I don't know if you guys have ever used the stems, but if you try the stems, they taste just like parsley. They taste just like the leaf. Perfect. So back to my scissoring. Back to my slicing. Smells so good. Okay, there we go. And then we have a 1/4 cup of mint. I'm gonna go rinse this real quick first. So this is about a 1/4 cup. I'm gonna do this the same way with the scissors. And also I think for the mint you only want to eat the leaves. I would say don't eat the stems. I want huge pieces. Okay, we're here. So now I'm gonna pour all the lentils in. This is the lentils in the colander. Oh, Jesus. Oh no. Hopefully too much didn't just spill. Oh my goodness. 1 1 cup of lentils is quite a bit more than I thought it would be. Maybe I will put in that extra pepper. I'm gonna mix it a little bit. Okay. Now, let me try a little bite. Handy dandy spork. It's the best utensil there ever was. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. Now I'm sure this dressing is gonna add a nice flavor as well. Oh shoot, I forgot salt and pepper. I'm just gonna salt and pepper the whole thing. Salt. Okay. We made it to the end. I'm gonna add a little more salt. I'm just surprised. I feel like there needs to be a little more flavor. That's really good. The mint, every little mint bite is really nice. I feel like you can really taste each flavor well, which is really nice. Cucumber is nice and crunchy. Yeah, I think putting this over like a bed of lettuce and having it on your salad with some tomatoes would be really delicious. Yeah, let me try it with the tortilla chip. Yeah, it's pretty good. I recommend it. If you are vegetarian and you're, only eating fruits and veggies, here you go. Not fruits and veggies and beans, but just everything but meat. This is good. This is a really good option. It's fresh, and the flavors will marinate a little more as you let them sit. So it might even be better the next day. So thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.